Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text on TikTok video for different times. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now to add a post, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now I'll just select a video from my gallery. To do that, you have to tap on upload on the bottom right corner. Now select the video you like and tap next on bottom right corner. Now you can trim the video as you like. And then tap next on top right corner. Now to add a text, tap on text at the bottom of the screen. I'll just randomly add a text. You can change the font as well as change the color. Now hold on the text element and tap set duration. And now you'll be able to customize the start point and end point of that text. And when you are done, tap on the tick icon at bottom right corner. Now I'll add another text. And customize in the same manner. And let's see the preview. And it works really fine. And when you are done, tap next on bottom right corner. And then pause the video. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.